Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today actually I repaired this is built-in dishwasher brand wise Electrolux. This after repairing this machine, customer again complained it's not washing properly. That's mean he's telling he's blaming to us motor not rotating, motor not working. Also inner lower also not working. Because of that we collected to the workshop. Now I'm going to show you it is whether working or not. I'm going to use my two cameras. I will show you. I'm going to use my both cameras. This one is Akaso brand Brave 4. This one also 4K camera. That video also it's very nice, and I'm keeping like that. Also my GoPro. This is GoPro 13. No need to tell about this. And also I'm using this one also because I want to show the customer, because he is telling dishes are not getting clean because your repair is not good, because the louvers are motor is not pressure. Because of that only I'm going to do this one. Now I'm going to keep inside the dishwasher. I have to give the power connection. I have to give the water. I'm using this one, this light. Also this both light I'm going to use, and I will show you this light. I'm going to take, this is blue color. Yeah, I'm going to take this color because this video will come nicely. Also this one this is normal color. You can see this is the color, this one. Now I'm going to fix all the things inside the machine. Now I will open the machine. Machine still working. You can see here. Now after keeping these cameras, we have to keep something here. It is with the pressure, it will go here and there. Because of that I have to do something. Now friends, I'm here doing like that because camera will shake here and there while machine running time. It will keep like that. Also my other camera I'm keeping here top. That's been GoPro. Yes, I'm keeping here. I will take it out. I can keep like that. Otherwise I can keep here. Yes, it is better, I'm thinking. I will keep like that. I have to tape here. Yes dear, now I tied that one because with the pressure while running time it will go here and there. The light also same. I'm keeping this light here. That one, no, yes, it is okay. This light I'm keeping like that, and this light I'm keeping. Now I will close the door slowly because this wire little bit big, but anyway we can lock properly. Now it's okay dear. Now we will check. Now dear friends, the machine is start. I can hear the noise. It is 100%. Motors are working, wash motor working, also lower up and down. Both it should work. But anyway, we will check. We will check the video. After that, we can understand what will happen. It is whether working or not. I can hear the noise, but customer blaming to us it's not working properly dishes. Because of that only I'm going to make this video and we will check. Dear friends, now almost 10 minutes it's already continuous work with the two cameras with the bulb. Now I'm going to open the door. Yes dear, you can see still both cameras it's working, light also working, it's heater and everything's perfect, it's working. Now I will remove my cameras, lights, everything. Now I will shut down both lights and also I will take it out, also both cameras. After that we will check. It should work, actually it should work because I know, but customer blaming to us, because of that I make this video. Anyway, we will check the video. After that we can identify. Now you watch the video, it is working fine actually. The wash motor, also both louvers are working properly. That's mean it is perfectly, it is 100% machine is working properly. Now I can show my customer also. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.